Welcome back, everyone. This is Mr. E, and now it's time to have some fun. First thing we're going to do, we're going to open up a Nearpod account. Second, we're going to build the template, the foundation for your rigorous and engaging math lesson. So let's get started. Let's go to nearpod.com, teacher, sign up for free. In this tutorial, I'll use my Google account to sign on. So enter my email and password for Google, agree to terms and conditions, and sign up. The last step is to choose my role. I choose teacher. Account created. Now let's create our template. I'm going to go to create, lesson. Now we're going to add some slides. My first slide is a welcome slide, no activity, because you have activity and content slides. I just want a content slide for my welcome page. Again, we're looking for a structure. Have different formats for the slide. Welcome at the top. I usually put a picture on the left or right and some instructions. On the right panel, you see different types of looks we can have for our page. Next slide will be the do now or quiz slide. Well, I'm using a quiz slide for my do now. Again, we're not going to complete this quiz. We just want to hold the place and we'll come back and we'll put the content in later. As you can see on the right, we can add media. Right now, again, just looking to create a placeholder. The next slide I want is an agenda. So again, just some content. And we'll add a text box here. And we'll come back and put our agenda in later. Take a quick preview. So far, welcome slide, quiz, and agenda slide. Looks good. The next slide I want to add is an open-ended question slide. Go to activities, open-ended question. As you can see here at the bottom right, we can add or accept audio files, and we can add a question in form of a media or type it in. Add a collaborate slide. Activities, collaborate. You can add media. Right now, again, we're just holding in place. And we have a few templates at the bottom. We can change the look of the slide. Next, we'll add a draw it. Draw it slide. We can add images, background images. And we can add a timer and different media. So we'll put a little timer on this. Save that. Now let's say we want an exit ticket. So we're just going to go ahead and copy the do now, paste it, and drag it down into the position we want. Now we'll go ahead and change the name of that to exit ticket. So our structure of our lesson is growing. Let's go ahead and add a poll at the end. Ask the students how they feel about the lesson. I'll just put great and okay here, but you can get a lot more elaborate with it if you want. Again, you can add media and you can accept audio files. Now, at this point, I forgot my objective or essential question, so I want to go back and put that in, no problem. So I'm going to hold on to it, hold it, drag it to the position I want it in. I want it after the agenda, but I also want to ask the question again later on, maybe after the quiz or the exit ticket. So I want to copy it, paste it, drag it down after the quiz. So that's it for my template. Just want to go ahead and name it, grade and subject. So now I have a structure. There are different ways to present. I can do live presentation. I can send it to them asynchronously, do it over Zoom, go back and edit. I can preview it. And there are a few more options here. Share with the teacher. Right now, I just want to preview quiz agenda, central question, activity slides, quiz again, exit ticket, and poll. All right, that's it. We have our template. In the next video, we'll add some content.